So today we are making this Mangalorean ghee roast. It has a ton of flavor and it packs a punch. You get that burst of flavor from the sauce and the roasted vegetables. I've been exploring more regional Indian curries and trying to make vegan versions of those delicious, decadent, meat-heavy dishes. Ghee is clarified butter and we're using oil instead here. We take these specific spices which define the ghee roast. I reduced the steps in making the spices by using some ground spices and some whole spices, and then blend it up into a marinade with some yogurt and garlic, and then use that marinade over the tofu and vegetables, as well as use some of that marinade to make the sauce. That marinade is where all of that flavor is. So let's make my tofu and veg ghee roast. To make this ghee roast, we toast these whole spices on a dry skillet until the fennel seeds are starting to change color, and you'll also notice that the fenugreek seeds and the black peppercorns will kind of start to pop. Then add these whole spices to a blender. And then blend this mixture until all of the whole spices break down and you get a smooth puree. Chop up all of the veggies and add them to a bowl. Press the tofu for 15 minutes, then tear into bite-sized pieces and add to the same bowl. Then add in half of the marinade to the bowl. Toss well to coat all of the vegetables and the tofu. Then spread this mixture on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 410 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until the potatoes and cauliflower are cooked. In the meanwhile, we'll make the sauce by heating a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the onion and the curry leaves and a good pinch of salt and continue to cook this until the onion is golden. Cover the skillet with a lid after the first 3 or 4 minutes to help the onions cook faster. Then add in your leftover marinade into the pan. Rinse out the blender with another half a cup of water and add that to the pan. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let this simmer for 5 minutes or so. Add in a little bit of non-dairy yogurt to make a creamier sauce, or you can add some coconut cream or cashew cream. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for another few minutes. You can add all of those roasted vegetables and tofu into the sauce. Toss well to coat. Simmer for a minute or so and then garnish with some cilantro and yogurt and serve. Or you can serve them in a layered bowl. Don't mix them, and take some of the sauce, spread it on a plate, top it with the roasted vegetables and tofu. Add a good drizzle of non-dairy yogurt, some cilantro, and then serve it that way. And that is a bowl of deliciousness. And here's another bowl of the same ghee roast served with some flatbread. If you don't want to use tofu, you can use beans or other proteins here as well. Use seitan, soy curls, or vegan chicken substitute. You can also use up any vegetables of choice. You can add some root vegetables like parsnip as well. You can add some fennel, some pumpkin, or butternut squash as well. Do let me know in the comments how you served it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Indian vegan recipes, regional Indian recipes, easy vegan meals, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.